Hello friend, in this lecture we will have a hands-on to demonstrate the reverse and the type attribute in the ordered list element in HTML. So friend, let's start. Here we have a sample code where we have used the reverse attribute and the type attribute together. Now to make this example simpler, we have divided it into 6 stages or the 6 step. The first step when the type is not specified and reverse attribute set as you are seeing it here. In the second case, when we have specified the reverse attribute and type attribute is set to numeric value. Third case, when we have specified the type as an alphabet in uppercase and the reverse attribute set. The next scenario is when type is A in lowercase and reverse attribute set. Likewise, we have one more scenario when type attribute is equal to Roman 1 in uppercase and reverse attribute set. And the last scenario is when type attribute is equal to Roman 1 in lowercase and reverse attribute set. And in all these cases, we have only two list items, Mercedes and Audi. And if you see here in this opening ordered list tag, we have reverse attribute. Second case, we have reverse attribute and type as 1. Third case, we have reverse attribute and type as A in uppercase. Fourth scenario, we have reverse attribute and type as A in lowercase. And then we have reverse attribute and type as Roman 1 in uppercase. Likewise, the last scenario, we have reverse attribute and type equal to Roman 1 in lowercase. Hence, when this code is rendered in the browser, you will get the output as shown here. Thus, in all the cases, irrespective of what value we have for the type attribute, it will get reversed and will be displayed as it is shown here. Now to get a better understanding how exactly the reverse and the type attribute when combined together works, let's go into the HTML editor and do this code and see how exactly it will be rendered in the browser in real time. Let's create an HTML page with the name as reverse and type attribute demo.html. The first statement has to be the document type followed by HTML element inside which head element inside which we'll have the title element. Let the title be reverse and type attribute demo. Within the body element, let me have 6 paragraphs. Let the content of the first paragraph be when type is not specified and reverse attribute set. Let the content of the second paragraph be when type equal to 1 and reverse attribute set. And the content of the third paragraph be when type equal to A in uppercase and reverse attribute set. Then the content of the fourth paragraph be when type equal to A in lowercase and reverse attributes. Likewise, the content of the fifth paragraph be when type equal to Roman 1 in uppercase and reverse attributes set. And finally, the content of the last paragraph be when type equal to Roman 1 in lowercase and reverse attributes set. Now, after the first paragraph, let me have an ordered list element in HTML. Inside this, we will have two content, apple and banana. Now, to hold this list item, it has to be surrounded with a list attribute. Let the first item be apple and the second item be banana. Let me specify the reverse attribute in the opening ordered list tag. Now copy this and paste it after each and every paragraph. Now in the first case, we will not specify any type attribute, and in the second scenario, let the type attribute be numeric 1. In the third scenario, let's specify the type attribute as alphabet A in uppercase. In the next scenario, let the type be an alphabet A in lowercase. Likewise, we will set the type attribute as Roman 1 in uppercase, and finally, in the last scenario, the type attribute will be the Roman 1 in lowercase. So this is all the combination we have. Here we have specified only reverse attribute, then we have specified type attribute as numeric 1 and reverse. Then we have type as A in uppercase and reverse. We have type as A in lowercase and reverse. Then type as Roman 1 in uppercase and reverse. And finally type as Roman 1 in lowercase and reverse. Save this and right click to open in default browser. Thus when this code is rendered in the browser, we will get the output as shown here. That is, irrespective of what value we have specified for the type attribute, in all the scenarios, the list will be displayed in the reverse order. The only difference will be based on the type, this numbering will be decided whether it will be a numeric ordering or the alphabet ordering or the Roman number ordering in uppercase or lowercase. That will be decided based on the type. Apart from this, nothing will be changed. Everything will get displayed in the reverse order. So this is what is the output when we use the reverse attribute and the type attribute in the ordered list element in HTML in a combined way. Thank you for watching.